Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you some very simple, easy to follow hairstyles that you can do on a daily basis. So here I'm using my Shine and Jam. You know I love that product so much. You don't have to layer your hair with product. For me, I'll just put it on the base of my hair and that's it, and just brush and comb until I get that smooth look that I'm looking for. Okay, so take a look at that. You see, the hair is not smooth. You can go in with a comb and try to just comb out those bumps. Add a little bit more product if needed. Now remember, we're working with type 4 hair that has been washed for 2 days. We haven't used any blow dryer or flat iron, so we're working with thick natural hair. So you cannot expect your hair to be sleek in just one brush. So just go ahead, brush and brush. So this is my go-to clip. I love this clip so much. It grabs the hair and keep it in place all day. Trust me, you won't regret buying one. All these styles were created in one day. So there are products on my hair from the previous style, so there is no need for too much right now. Okay, so this is style 2 hair. I'm doing a flat twist. If you don't know how to flat twist, comment down below and let me know so I can make a video showing you how to. You don't have to accessorize your hair, but for me, a little is okay. You can leave your hair, the back of your hair, in a puff, but for me, with my hair as dense as this, it will only get more tangled. This that I'm doing to the back of my hair now is my favorite. I wear this a lot. A little bit more accessories, just for the extra pop. Girl, you'll build muscle trying to comb my hair. So now we're going in with our extension, bunchy, ponytail, puff, puff puff, high puff, whatever you call it, girl. I love it. Remember to use as much bobby pins or hairpins as you desire to secure this hair. Nobody wants to see their fake hair on the ground. Do not wrap your twists extremely tight, as this put tension on the roots of your hair and causes hair loss. Here I'm doing a French braid or a inside cornrow, whatever you call it. You'll see the end of it. Use whatever accessories you like, whatever you feel comfortable using. And remember, every hair is beautiful. Every hair is unique. So be comfortable in your own skin. So here are the finished products. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, families, loved ones. And catch you in the next one. Bye. Let me know down below which one was your favorite.